So this is the Anatomage Table, and it's an interactive table where students can perform dissections, digital dissections, and look at things like autopsies.
Was it this?
It's like a supercomputer touchscreen where we can explore the human body and different aspects of the human body and different pathologies.
Working with the Anatomage Table has been very unique and it's helped me a lot. Seeing it and like in 3D, it feels real, and I get to like see every structure, every layer. It's honestly really interesting.
You can explain it, but when they see it this way and you manipulate it, it's a lot more easy for them to understand. Many medical students work with the Anatomage Table, and a lot of times that's their first time experiencing the Anatomage Table. So if they get to use it in high school, they'll have an advantage of their college peers.
If I didn't have this experience, I wouldn't feel confident enough to make it through medical school. I really like it.